Babur died at Ansar Agra. Bahadur Shah was Ansar first Mughal ruler. Next, Mughal painting flourished during the reign of Ansar Jahangir. Next, revenue system during Akbar's reign was in the hands of Ansar Todermal. Next, Darasiko finally lost the war of succession of Aurangzeb in the Battle of Ansar Somogaro. Next, the Moti Masjid in Agra was built during the reign of Ansar Shah Jahan. Next, Tulsidas composed the Ramcharit Manas in the reign of Ansar Akbar. Next, at the time when Nadir Shah attacked Delhi, the Mughal emperor was Ansar Muhammad Shah. Next, the Ibadat Khana at Fatehpur Sikri was built by Ansar Akbar. Next, Humayun first attacked Chunar 14 1532 AD. Next, the first English person who visited the court of Akbar was Ralph Fitch. Next, Panch Mahal building built by Akbar was designed on the principles of Buddhist Vihara. Next, Jizya was reimposed during the reign of Aurangzeb. Next, the first matrimonial alliance with the Rajput was established by Akbar with the house of Ansar Kachwas. Next, the Upanishads were translated into Persian by Darasiko at the title Sir ul Akbar. Next, the ruler of Mebar, who was defeated in the Battle of Khanwa by Babur in 1527 AD, was Ansar Rana Sangha. Next, the Mughal emperor who was prohibited the use of tobacco was Ansar Jahangir. Next, the historian Abul Fazl was killed by Ansar Bir Singhdeo Bundela. Next, the Sikh Guru to be slaughtered by Aurangzeb Ansar Tek Bahadur. Next, the Mughal emperor to have lifted to jizya on Hindus, Ansar Akbar. Next, the battle of Dharmat was fought between Ansar Aurangzeb and Dara Shikoh. Next, Babur wrote his memoirs called Tujuki Baburi in Ansar Turkish language. Next, Himu, the Hindu general who led the Afghan forces against the Mughals in the Second Battle of Panipat, was the general of Sur rulers, Ansar Muhammad Adil Shah. Next, the first Rajput to voluntarily submit to Akbar, Ansar Kachwas. Next, Hawkins Englishman was given the title of Khan by Jahangir. Next, Dausa Silpa was a Shivarnak of Sanwar introduced by Jahangir. Next, Moti Masjid at Agra, Mosque of the Mughals, is also known as the Pearl Mosque. Next, Humayun went into exile after Ansar Bilgram battle. Next, Tujuki Baburi translated into Persian by Abdul Rahim. Next, after which battle Humayun crossed the Gangas with the help of a water carrier, Ansar Chausha. Next, during the reign of Jahangir, the battle of Nairul Asar was given to Ansar Ustad Mansur. Next, Akbar laid the foundation of the new city of Fatehpur Sikri in honor of Ansar Salim Chishti. Next, the chain of justice is associated with Ansar Jahangir. Next, the promulgation of 12 edicts is associated with the reign of Ansar Jahangir. Next, Mir Jumla, who was appointed the governor of Bengal by Aurangzeb, originally belonged to Ansar Golconda. Next, Todermal was a brilliant revenue officer who first served under Ansar Sheikh Shah. Next, Taj Mahal was designed by Ansar Ustad Isha. Next, the master of portrait painting was Ansar Mansur. Next, the early capital of the Portuguese in India was Ansar Cochin. Next, the Do Aspa, Si Aspa rank in the Mansabdari system was introduced by Ansar Jahangir. Next, during the days of Shah Jahan, captivity in the Shahu Burj of the Agra fort. One of his daughters stayed with him. She was Ansar Jahanara. Next, Aurangzeb re-imposed jizya in Ansar 1679 AD. Next, Aurangzeb re-imposed jizya and pilgrim tax on the Hindus because Ansar he wanted to spread Islam and discourage the infidel practices. Next, the Mughal emperor was known as Saikhu Baba. Ansar Jahangir. Next, the Mughal emperor reached its territorial climax under Ansar Aurangzeb. Next, the Lord Privy Seal of the Mughal administration was known as Ansar Mirbark. Next, during the Mughal rule, the chief of the city was Ansar Kotwal. Next, Akbar introduced the Mansabdari system in order to the Ansar to organize the nobility as well as his army. Next, the revenue collector in charge of the district was called Ansar Fauzdar. Next, the technique of extracting scent from rose was invented by Ansar Nurjahan. Next, in 1916, the India Women's University was set up in Bombay by D.K. Karb. Next, in the Mughal Empire, the unit of land revenue assessment was Ansar village. Next, Babur introduced in India Ansar four square gardens. Next, Pandit Raj Jagannath was the poet laureate at the court of Ansar Shah Jahan. তোমরা অতি অবশ্যই লাইক কমেন্ট শেয়ার এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে। আমি ভিডিওগুলো আপলোড করছি, আমিও ডব্লিউবিসিএস অ্যাসপিরেন্ট। তো আমাকে ইনস্টিটিউটে যে সমস্ত ইম্পর্টেন্ট কোশ্চেন আনসারগুলো যা পড়াচ্ছি আমি সেগুলোই তোমাদের সাথে শেয়ার করছি। যাদের ইনস্টিটিউটে পড়ার মতো সামর্থ্য নেই বা ইনস্টিটিউটে পড়তে যাওয়ার সময় নেই, বিভিন্ন কাজের সঙ্গে যুক্ত আছে, তো তারা কানে হেডফোন লাগিয়ে এগুলো 3-4 বার করে শুনবে, দেখবে মুখস্থ হয়ে গেছে।